This is a continuation of my first review on the Galaxy S2. Right now we're watching a video. You can't really see the quality of the video because I'm shooting it out of my G2X, which is pretty nasty. It doesn't even zoom, so you can't appreciate the quality of this phone. If you check it out in person, you'll know. You'll be amazed. A lot of people complain about the screen size, but man, the screen size just complements the phone even more, just especially when you're on the web. It's crazy.
The micro USB along with the microphone. Flipped around.
Phone's amazing. But anyway, check out some other parts of the phone. Let's see what we got here. You got the camera. So many options in the camera. You can do so many things and change up your settings. There's just so many. This is better than most cameras that are out there, and this is just a phone. But we could take a picture so you can see the quality of it. That's nice quality right there. We looked at the camera. Got Netflix on here. You have Media Hub. You can check that out real quick. Check out some TV. What we have on here. What would I want to watch? TV on the damn phone. It's pretty crazy. Fox. Check out some American Dad. Oh, let me put in my password real quick. This phone is amazing, man. This is HD quality right here. Can't really see it on a camera phone because that G2X camera is pretty terrible, but I'm telling you, this phone is crazy. Let's see if we can check out some actual movies instead of just cartoons. If we can check out a preview or something. What's out that's hot? Fast 5. Check out. What's the preview? Check it out for a little bit.
So I see you've all met.
What's this all about, though? Yeah, man, why'd you drag us halfway around the world?
Because we got a job.
That's a stealth mission. We'll be in and out before they even know we were there. We're talking about breaking into a police station.
This is crazy. This is $100 million.
You say what?
No lag whatsoever. just crystal clear quality. If you had this phone in your hand and you was watching this right now, you'll turn your TV off and you'll start watching this, even if you have an LED.
Escaped prison twice. We find them, we take them as a team, and we bring them back. And above all else, we don't ever let them get in the cars.
My baby be talking to me sometimes. She just told me I had a new voicemail.
We just went from a middle of the most wanted list to the very top. We gotta keep running now.
Running ain't freedom.
You're going down, Toretto.
Big mistake.
The sound is just... it's amazing. Everything about this phone is amazing. One thing I can complain about is it doesn't have Wi-Fi calling. I don't appreciate that. It's a brand new phone. I don't understand how you don't put that on the phone that just came out. My G2X, my Sensation, they all have it.
Later, we're gonna end up behind bars or buried in a ditch somewhere.
But I'll sacrifice that for this type of quality on a damn video, man. It's amazing. As a matter of fact, guys, I think I'm gonna watch a movie real quick and I'll hit y'all with a third review.